Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax form No-16 online. First, ensure you have your Form 16 ready, which is provided by your employer. You'll also need your permanent account number, or PAN, and access to the official income tax e-filing portal. Gathering these documents beforehand will streamline the entire process for you, making it much smoother. Before you begin entering data, carefully compare the information on your Form 16 with your bank statements and other financial records. This helps ensure accuracy. Next, calculate your total income from all sources and identify any deductions you are eligible for. Finally, confirm any tax already paid, such as advance tax or tax deducted at source. Now, log in to your account on the official income tax e-filing portal using your credentials. Once logged in, select the correct assessment year for which you are filing your return. Then, choose the appropriate income tax return form, usually ITR1 for salaried individuals. Carefully enter all your financial details into the online form. Before final submission, take your time to thoroughly review all the data you have entered. Double-check for any errors or omissions. Verify your final tax liability or refund status. Then, select a suitable method for e-verification, such as Aadhaar OTP or net banking. Once verified, submit your income tax return successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.